He loves that bike, the freedom of the ride, living his best life hard, open wide. But every day it's stay alive, while sorry mate didn't see ya, tries to take his life. Hive is yellow or dressed in black, won't stop idiots drifting in his path. So he rides alert, sharp and wise, 'cause survival's the prize, never riding faster than his angel can fly.
As ever, thank you very much for clicking on this video. Well, this video has been inspired by a keyboard warrior that commented on a video I did with Andy from Bike from Atlantis. Now, he wasn't the worst of keyboard warriors, to be fair. You know, he was quite polite, but in typical keyboard warrior fashion, his comment was more of asking a question to the people watching the video rather than asking me the question. And I'll read you his comment out. So the video in question was a video I did with Bike from Atlantis, where I met him for the day. We went out for a ride, and I basically just looked at his riding and had a look to see if I could polish it in any way. And he's been doing his advanced riding. So the comment in question came from a Paul Mitchell 5349, and he says, constant chat about advanced training, and we see two influencer riders with black jackets and trousers, not a high vis in sight. Firstly, I've never really seen myself as an influencer, so that was the biggest insult that he threw at me, to be fair. But it got me thinking, and why is it people think that by adding a high vis to your kit that it's going to keep you safe? So I formulated a video, put a video together of my opinion of why, or what I think about high vis. But my question to you is, what do you think about high vis? Do you wear high vis? Are you against high vis? You tell me. Put it in the comments below what your opinion is on high vis, if you wear it or you don't wear it.
So when it comes to high vis for work, I have to wear it. It's a box ticking exercise, and it's a piece of PPE that I have to wear to tick a box for the insurance companies, and it's always been that way for me. And all the time I've been development test riding and been on the road or on track, we have to wear high vis because it's part of the health and safety.
So in my experience as a development test rider, I've covered over 1 million miles on the road, and high vis has always been mandatory. It's something I've had to wear every day of my working life.
Now, do I think high vis makes me a safer rider? No. Do I think it makes riding on the roads safer? No. No, don't get me wrong. High vis has its place, you know, whether it be in the workplace or through personal choice. High vis is there for the people that want to be seen, shall we say. But in what scenario does that mean, want to be seen? Well, you know, on a building site, marshalling marathons, marshalling different events, for people to identify you as somebody with some sort of authority, then high vis definitely has its place, and more so in the working environment. Now, does high vis have its place in the motorcycle world? Well, yeah, it does, you know, but that's down to personal choice, you know, and that's one of the things, and I keep saying it, that the one thing I love about motorcycles is the freedom of choice. And if you choose to wear high vis, then do you know what? That's your choice, that's your freedom, and I've got no problem with that.
I think with the comment from the keyboard warrior, what really got my goat, I think it's the fact that he's telling me what I should be wearing. And like I keep saying, one of the most beautiful things I love about motorcycling is the freedom of choice. And it's my choice whether I wear one or not.
Like I say, I have to wear it every day for work, but I choose not to wear it when I'm riding socially.
My number one pet hate with high vis is how dirty it gets, and it gets dirty pretty damn quick. I mean, this jacket, yeah, it's my work jacket, but it's probably 3 months old now, if a day, and it's just absolutely filthy. It's minging, and that's my pet hate with high vis, is the fact you just can't keep it clean.
Now, every day I ride around this beautiful city, and this is the beautiful city of Coventry. I can guarantee every day when I'm working wearing this high vis or my other high vis, this is my rain jacket high vis, and then I have a high vis vest that goes over the top of my air vest. But I guarantee every day, more than once, somebody tries to kill me through stupidity. Whether it be other road users or even pedestrians. It seems that most people either walk around or drive around with their eyes closed. They really do. I've come to the conclusion that, do you know what? In these instances, the only thing that has saved my life is me. Save my own life and save myself from somebody else's stupidity. Because the sorry mate, I didn't see you brigade are everywhere. They really are. So it is a case of, if you want to be a safer rider, or if you want to be safer on the road, I don't believe an iViz is going to give you that. What will give you that is being a better rider, is doing some advanced training, is learning how to be a defensive rider, is learning how to spot the idiots before they hit you, because you know what, no matter what you're wearing, they won't see you. They never do, you know, and it's the first thing, I guarantee. They'll always say to you, when they've knocked you off, and you lay in the road, rolling around in agony, they'll say, sorry mate, I didn't see you. And it doesn't matter if you're wearing an iViz looking like a fluorescent lollipop, or if you're wearing just a black jacket. It really doesn't. They will still hit you. The way to give yourself better odds of them not hitting you is to be a defensive rider. And doing you advanced really does give you that. I mean, look, pedestrians. I mean, there's a level of stupidity in itself. I mean, what are the crutches for? The pedestrian lights hadn't changed, but I'll just walk straight out without looking, because you know what? I'm stupid. I still can't work out why he's got crutches. Now, I'm not telling you not to wear iViz, and you shouldn't wear iViz, and I'm anti-iViz, because do you know what? I'm wearing iViz, but I choose not to wear it when I'm riding socially, or I'm out and about on my own time. I don't really see the benefits from it, and that's coming from a rider that's done over 1 million miles. And I don't see the benefit from wearing an iViz, because every day, no matter what I'm wearing, whether I'm wearing an iViz or whether I'm not wearing an iViz, somebody tries to kill me. Somebody says, sorry mate, I didn't see you. The amount of people that cut me up while waving to me or putting their thumbs up as if to say, oh yeah, sorry, I didn't see you, but I'm not going to stop. I'm still going to cut you up. Even though you look like a fluorescent lollipop, I'm still going to cut you up. I'm still going to pull out on you. Get yourself an air vest, an iViz one. Because do you know what? That probably will save your life. But a normal iViz jacket or motorcycle jacket is definitely not going to save your life if another vehicle hits you, or you have some sort of horrific accident caused by the sorry I did not see you brigade. Because do you know what? Unfortunately, iVizes do not combat against stupidity. And we live in a world where there's lots of stupidity. There we have it, a level of stupidity.
iViz yellow or dressed in black, won't stop idiots drifting in his path, so he rides alert, sharp and wise. 'Cause survival's the prize, never riding faster than his angel can fly.
So let me know in the comments below, what's your view on iViz? Do you wear iViz? Are you against it? Let me know in the comments below, what's your thoughts of iViz and wearing one?
He loves that bike, the freedom of the ride, living his best life hard open wide, but every day it's stay alive, while sorry mate, didn't see ya, tries to take his life. iViz yellow or dressed in black, won't stop idiots drifting in his path, so he rides alert, sharp and wise. 'Cause survival's the prize, never riding faster than his angel can fly.